What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we are going to be discussing the 1955 double die obverse wheat cent. So let's get into the video. So this coin is actually arguably the most famous double die obverse coin in the Lincoln cent series and possibly in numismatics period. This coin is known all around the coin collecting hobby, and it is highly sought after. These double die coins were actually created when the US Mint struck a working hub and a working die together while they were both slightly rotated. This working die then received a double die impression and in return created thousands of 1955 double die cents. Now, the U.S. Mint workers were able to catch some of these in time before they went out into population. However, there were thousands of them that did go out, and this is what we are seeing today, the evidence of this. Several people have gotten these coins, and now I'm going to show you what these coins are actually selling for in today's time and over the last 2 decades. Check it out. $60,000 is a lot for one coin. To be exact, 1 penny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy hunting. Peace.